I'm sick of performing and not getting compliments. Look at me now, washing the dishes, not getting a compliment. Making the dinner without being told it. If I had not did it, I would have been scolded. I am working here like a chef. Where's my compliment, woman? Are you deaf? Give me compliments. Why is my impressiveness written off like as it was of course a ness? This is importantness. Give me answer or compliment. You choose. Give me compliments. I said give me compliments. Give me compliments. I said give me compliments. Maybe my compliments is under here. No compliments here either. Taking out the trash, no compliments. Respecting trafficking rules, no compliments. Got to work on time, no compliments. And I dressed myself today, no freaking compliments. Every day I do chores like a donkey. There is the applause like the circus monkeys get. It's not fair, I'm doing my best. Look at that child being rewarded with a breast. Give me compliments, I said give me compliments. Bitte schnell. Give me compliments, I said give me compliments. Bitte schnell. Not giving away compliments, are we? Jawohl, typical. Where is my great job? Where is my good work? Where is my pat on the head? Where is my oh my god, you are the most impressive human being I have ever met? Point being, where is my compliment? Schnell bitte, bitte, schnell bitte, bitte, schnell. Schnell bitte, 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 compliments, schnell. Give me compliments, I said give me compliments. Give me compliments, give me compliments. I said give me compliments. Where's my compliments? Give me compliments, I said give me compliments. Give me compliments. Give me compliments, I said give me compliments. Please help me, I'm starving for compliments. Hey, read a sign, you schnitzel, I want compliments, not money.
Oh, sorry. You have a nice turtleneck.
What? Or me? Oh, thank you. It's really kind of... I just threw something on this morning. Nothing special. Thank you. I mean, I'm really bad with compliments, but thank you.